say?
No, there was a formula, but I just can't remember it.
Okay.
It was y minus or something.
Okay, I will tell you how to remember that. Suppose this is your x-axis and this is your y. Instead of giving you line, I gave you two coordinates. Mind it, I'm saying coordinates. Okay.
Yeah.
So first coordinate is 5, 2, and let's say second coordinate is 2, let's say 3. Okay. If you'll connect them, you will get a straight line. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And to make a straight line, we always take 2 points, but in the graphing we take 3 points so that we will be on the line. Okay. If we are making any mistake in calculation, we can see. Okay. So, but the main thing is to make a straight line, we need only 2 points. So, okay, first tell me, do you know how to calculate distance between them?
Do you do x1, y1,
so
x2,
there is a formula,
y2.
x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is a whole square, and this will give you, let's say this is a and this is b, mod ab. We always write in vertical line. Okay. Any trouble?
No.
Don't confuse with this line. They are just mean that you have to find the distance between a and b.
Okay.
If I will ask you to calculate, can you calculate that?
Yeah.
Yeah, just give a try. So what is mod AB?
Yeah. I don't know if I did this wrong, but I got root 8, which then is 2 root 2.
Okay, so you got how much? Root 8?
Yeah.
Okay, see. So how to do this one is very simple. X2, let's say you can take any one x2, x1. Okay, doesn't matter. First of all, you can take this one x1, this one y1. You can take this one x1, y1. Doesn't matter. Okay.
Yeah.
So I will take this one x1 and this one y1. So sorry, x2 I will take this one, bigger one number. So 5 minus 2. So can I write 5 minus 2 whole square?
Yeah, that's 9.
That's 9, right? And 3 minus, okay, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3 whole square. How much is that?
-1?
No, if you are squaring any number, always remember, if you are squaring any number, you will always get positive number. So -1
Okay.
whole square
Okay, that's +1.
+1. So your answer is under root 10. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, this is fine. Now, as I told you that you have privilege of using calculator. I don't
Yeah.
want you to use calculator. Okay, first try with this. You can directly put in the calculator like this and you will get answer as under root. Put under root, then put bracket, inside bracket do this like this and you will get the answer. Okay,
Yeah.
but this is a good practice we are doing by hand. Okay, now
Okay.
the second thing is, if I ask you, let's connect them. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
Now if I ask you what is the middle point of this, can you find the coordinate of the middle point? Do you know?
Isn't that called the midpoint
Formula. That is called midpoint formula, and the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2. It's very easy. Middle of both x and middle of both y. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Can you find that? How much is that?
Yeah. I got 7/2, 5/2.
So you got
5/2.
Yeah, that's right. 7/2, comma 5/2. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So we have covered distance formula, we have covered midpoint formula, and now we are going to do the most important thing, which is the slope calculation. So first try to understand what is slope.
Okay.
What is slope? Have you gone to any mountain or hills?
Yeah. Yeah.
You will see the inclination is very high.
Yeah.
Okay, like this. So this is called the slope. It is called inclination.
Okay.
So if you go higher, the more difficulty you will get, which means that the slope is higher. It's very easy to walk on the road, but it's very easy to walk on the hills. Okay, because it has a slope. Okay. Now mathematically, if you have to find the slope, you can use the slope formula. If the slope formula is used only and only if two coordinates is given.
Yeah.
If the two coordinate is not given, we have to think about other way. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose two coordinate is given, and they have asked you what is the slope. Always remember it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Okay.
And one thing, okay. Here, see this y2 minus y1, same thing.
Yeah.
Here also same thing.
Yeah.
Just you have to remember square is square. Okay.
Okay.
Here it's this is the average of x, average of y.
Yeah.
Here it is y2 minus y1, which is same as this, divided by x2 minus x1. Can you find the slope of this?
Yeah.
And try to avoid rise over run. I will tell you the trick for the rise over run, but try to avoid it.
Yeah. Is it minus 1 over 3?
Yeah, it will be negative. Let me check. So y2 is your, anyone you can take y1, as I told you. You can take anyone y1 or 2. So let's say this is your 2, this is your 1. So I am writing 2 minus 3. Have you done like this?
Yeah.
And 5 minus
2.
2. So you will get minus 1 over 3.
3.
So this is the slope. And it is
Yeah.
negative, which means it will go like this. Down.
Okay.
It will go down. Okay. So we have done distance formula, midpoint formula. Okay, what else? Okay, let's talk about some slopes. Okay, to give you a real idea about
Yeah.
the slope.
Yeah.
You know the quadrant? Okay.
No.
Okay, you know the x-axis and y-axis, is that okay?
Yeah.
And you know
Yeah.
what is the 90 degree? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take some examples of slope line. Let's say there is one line. Okay, this one.
Yeah.
And there is another line. This one. There is another line. This one. And let's say there is another line, this one. Is that okay? Now this is first line, this is second, and third and fourth. Okay, now we are going to see which one has a positive and which one has a negative value. Clear? Is that okay? Let's talk about the first line here. How to identify whether because when you are using rise over run, it's very difficult to say whether it is negative or positive. So x-axis is everything. Okay, if your angle of the line with x-axis is lesser than 90 degree, what is this line angle?
That's an acute.
Acute, which means lesser than 90 degrees. So this will have positive slope. We don't know the value, but we can say that it will have positive. Sorry, I'm writing positive slope. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is this angle?
Obtuse. It's bigger than 90 degrees.
So it will have a negative slope. This is the trick you can remember. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go for this one. What is this? Always with this positive x-axis. Obtuse or acute?
It's obtuse.
So negative. If angle is greater than 90 degree, you will get negative slope.
Okay.
And what about this one?
That's acute.
That's acute, which means positive
Less.
slope. Why I am saying this one? Because I will give you one example of rise over run, and I will ask you to calculate slope. Okay, let's say this. Okay, let's say one line this, and there is another line. Yes, and this is 4, this is 3, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, this means this distance is, so what is slope of this? You go rise is your 6.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is run?
5.
5. And you know that this is the acute angle, so it will have positive slope. That's all.
Oh.
So if somebody asks which one is positive or negative, this one is positive or negative? What is the
that one is positive.
Positive. Okay, it's positive, and you know that we can do the rise over run, which is 6 over 5 is your magnitude, and it is a positive slope.
Yeah.
Okay, now for this one, what is the slope? We know that it will be negative.
Yeah.
If you use rise over run, can you, okay, without knowing this one, what is the slope of this? you will say 4 over 3.
Yeah.
But that is wrong. The slope is negative 4 over 3.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So that's why acute and obtuse angle concept is very important.
Yeah.
Rise over run is okay. You will get the magnitude. Value will be right. But these things will only come when you know whether the angle is acute or obtuse.
Yeah.
Does
Yeah.
it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So this we have covered. Actually, today I just want to do the graphical things. Okay. Next
Yeah.
we will do algebraic. So what I'm thinking, what I can cover more. What else?
For the what?
Can you repeat? Can you repeat?
There's like there's an equation and it's mx plus c.
Okay. Yeah. You want to come there? You don't have any other issue with the graphing and all?
No,
okay.
I understand so far what you taught.
See, y equal to mx plus c. What is that? This is the equation of a straight line. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's decode this.
Mm-hmm.
What is m here? Do you know that?
That's slope.
And what is this? This is your y-intercept.
Okay.
Y-intercept, which means that if you plot it and a straight line is this value is c. Okay.
Yeah.
And the coordinate is 0 comma c always, because on the y-axis your x value has to be 0.
Okay.
You understand? So this is equal to, this is the equation of a straight line. Okay.
Yeah.
And always remember to write this equation. Okay.
Yeah.
We need only two things.
Yeah.
To make an algebraic equation of a straight line, we need slope, which is a very important part of a straight line.
Yeah.
And the second thing you need is a point.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll come how to make a straight line equation. Okay, how we can write a straight line equation if two coordinates is given. Let's say,
Yeah.
let me take a new page. Okay, now the same thing. If you have y and you have x and you have 2 points, let's say this is 3 comma 1. Okay, and this is
Yes.
1 comma let's say 5. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So what information you can get? You can get distance using distance formula. Clear?
Yeah.
You can get midpoint using midpoint formula. Clear?
Yeah.
You can find the slope of the straight line which connect them. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, so let's evaluate what is the slope. Slope of this. Slope of this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
So I can take any one x1, I can take any one y1, no doubt.
Yeah.
So I will take which one? Okay, let's say this one is your x2 y2.
Yeah.
This is your x1 y1. Anyone you can take. Okay. So can I write 5 minus 1 over 1 minus 3?
Yeah.
So you will get 4 over minus 2, which is minus 2.
Okay. Yeah.
So I have find the value of m. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Up to here,
Yeah.
do you have any issue?
No.
No. How to write a straight line equation? You have a formula in your formula book. It is always y minus y1. I will explain this one because it's very is equal to m x minus x1. Do you have any doubts?
Oh. No.
Maybe you can ask me what is y and what is y1.
Yeah.
Okay. See, y and x. this is y, and this is x, are variables.
Okay.
You don't have to put any value for them. They will, you have to just write x and y. Okay.
Okay.
And this, what is then this y1 and x1? It is same. This one 3, 1.
Yeah.
Or 1, 5. There is a no restriction.
Yeah.
There is a no restriction. You can take any one.
Okay.
As I told you before, to make a straight line, you need a slope, which we have calculated.
Yeah.
We have here, and you need 2 points. You need a point.
Yeah.
We are very much privileged because we have 2 points. I can take any of them according to myself. Clear? So let's make equation of this line. We know that we don't have to do anything for y, so y will be y because it is a variable. Which point you want to take, this one or this one?
1, 5.
Okay.
1, 5.
So y1, what is your y1 then?
Oh, that would be 3.
No.
Or 1.
You are taking this one or this one?
Oh wait, no, sorry. 1, 5. So it would be 5.
So can I write y minus 5? Y minus 5. And what is slope? My slope is minus 2. Is that okay?
Minus 2.
Can I write minus 2?
Yeah.
Okay. And x will be your x. And what is your x1?
1.
Yeah. So can I write x minus 1?
Yeah.
Let's break the bracket. Okay. So can I write y minus 5 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. Tell me if you have any issue with this.
No, I get it.
You got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I bring minus 5 this side?
Yeah. So plus 5.
So it will become
plus 5. Oh, plus 7. Yeah. Okay.
Any trouble in this one?
No.
So this is the form, y is equal to mx plus c. That's all.
Okay.
You got it? Because from here you can realize that your slope is minus 2 and your y-intercept is 7.
Okay.
So this is the origin of a straight line. This is very, very important. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1.
Yeah.
People concentrate on this one, but always concentrate on this one, because this has come from here. You can see that.
Yeah.
Any trouble?
No. Like, what would this be a question as though? Like,
okay.
Is it find?
I will give you one question and we'll solve it and we'll finish the session. Okay. Write the equation of a straight line. Write the equation of a straight line, and if the line passes through 2 points, which is 1, 2 and 2, 1. The line passes through 2 points. Always make a diagram. Okay. So there is a line which passes through 1, 2 and 2, 1. Write the equation of a straight line. What you will do?
Yeah.
Do you want me to repeat the question? Write the equation of a straight line if the line passes through 1, 2 and 2, 1. Okay, before solving this, give me a thought. What you will do?
You have to find the slope.
Yes, do that. First find the slope.
Then you need to use that formula, the y minus y1
is equal to x minus x1.
Yeah.
Sorry, m is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. Is that okay?
Just write that formula, because I don't have
okay,
it
I will
here.
write.
I think it's in my table.
First find the slope. I am writing the formula.
Okay.
The formula is written here.
The slope.
What is slope?
Is it minus 1 over 1?
Which is minus 1.
Okay.
Now find the equation of line.
Yeah. Is it y equals minus x plus 3?
Let's check. Which point you have taken? This one or that one?
I took the first one,
Okay.
1, 2.
So y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 x minus 2. Is that okay? Sorry.
Yeah.
X minus 1.
X minus 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So y is equal to minus x plus 3. Have you got this answer?
Yeah.
So this is the equation of a straight line. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Any doubts? You can ask me if you have.
No.
Okay. So these are the homework. I will send you a screenshot of